This guide will help you optimize your PUBG experience for better performance in 2025. Follow these steps to enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets or exceeds the minimum system requirements for PUBG. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Step 2. Update drivers. Keep your graphics drivers updated. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in PUBG. Go to the settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and effects to improve performance. Step 4. Optimize background processes. Close unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed while playing PUBG to free up system resources. Step 5. Use performance mode. If available, switch your PC to performance mode. This can be done through the power settings in Windows, which prioritizes performance over energy savings. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PUBG performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.